This is Tajamuladel. In terms of social distance, the TELESIN carbon fiber selfie stick is the best option. 1.2 meter is the maximum length when it's fully extended. Selfie stick with the GoPros, smartphones and 360 cameras, controlled easily with these accessories. Let's do an unboxing and see what's inside the box. Lighter and stronger than an aluminum selfie stick of the same size, it is made of high quality carbon fiber. I have different selfie stick in a variety of sizes. Let me show you some of them. You can see the different selfie stick sizes here, with TELESIN 1.2 meters being the longest of them all. By the way, TELESIN selfie stick handle is made of food grade silicone and has a non-slip texture, making it comfortable to use. The portable compact tripod I own is made by K&F Concept and it offers 1.77 meters of height. The TELESIN 1.2 meter carbon fiber selfie stick will be compared with this one after I take it out of the compact tripod. In this comparison, a 1.77 meter tripod from K&F Concept is compared to a 1.2 meter selfie stick from TELESIN. This tripod stand comes from the K&F Concept Tripod, and now I have combined both sticks into one. It has an overall length of 1.2 meters and free locking between the sections. The combined size is around 2.97 meters after combining these two sticks. In this case, I will combine third stick with the selfie stick, and now it measures 2.97 meters long. I am using a Ricoh 360 camera to capture the video result since its total length will be 3.26 meters. You can see the total length of the three selfie sticks, which measure 3.26 meters and are equipped with the Ricoh 360 camera. As of now, I'm only using TELESIN 1.2 meter for photography and Ricoh 360 camera for videography. Check it out. Your photos will be more beautiful and memorable because TELESIN carbon fiber is more resistant to corrosion than metal. TELESIN carbon fiber selfie sticks are compatible with the GoPros, 360 cameras and all kind of smartphones. Its buying price is $33.99 and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are interested in dual recording microphone, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.